You may believe you have concluded a prenuptial agreement and are financially secure, even if your marriage may break up. Really? You may allow yourself to be lulled into a false sense of security. Please watch this video to learn what pending divorce proceedings mean under revised inheritance law. My name is Tamara Freiner. I am an independent attorney at law in the canton of Zurich, Switzerland. If this video appeals to you, please like it and forward it to someone else. Upon marriage or during marriage, spouses capable of judgment often agree on a survivorship clause or total surplus allocation by a marriage contract to be publicly notarized. The surviving spouse retains his or her entire surplus and also receives the deceased spouse's entire surplus if the marriage is dissolved by death. The aim is to avoid having to share the assets saved during the marriage, for instance with the joint descendants, on the death of the first spouse. The children must await the death of the second spouse. Imagine a timeline. You get engaged, you marry, and your marriage ends at some point in time. Till death do us part. However, a marriage may also be dissolved by divorce. If you are legally divorced, your ex-spouse will no longer inherit from you unless there is an injunction to the contrary. In other words, divorced spouses have no statutory right of inheritance in relation to each other. The question now arises, what may a pending divorce proceeding mean, even if you have concluded a marriage contract? A divorce is pending if it's instigated by joint request or continued by joint request in accordance with the rules on divorce, or the spouses have lived apart for at least 2 years. Pending divorce proceedings have other consequences besides the avoidance of forced heirship, according to Article 472 of the Swiss Civil Code. Inheritance law and marital property law benefits will cease to apply. As of January 1st, 2023, without proviso, the agreements on the over half allocation of the surplus, for instance the total surplus allocation, also known as survivorship clause, will cease to apply by operation of law. Are you surprised? Check up on your existing marriage contract. If you, as a spouse or registered partner, wish the continuation of the beneficiary status, even despite pending divorce proceedings, you must stipulate this in the marriage or property contract and in the testamentary disposition, be it a will or a contract of succession. Is a divorce imminent? Seek timely legal advice and draw up a will to disinherit your to-be ex-husband or wife. One thing is certain, estate planning, legal transaction and divorce planning will increase. I look forward to supporting you fulfilling your personal and last wishes to have a peaceful distribution of your assets. Please contact me for a consultation. To miss not any news or insights, please follow me on social media.